Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be showing you how to create 5 quick and easy Halloween-inspired nail art designs for when you're running late. Guys, you only need a toothpick for these designs, so we're really excited to share them with you. Let us know down in the comments which design is your favorite.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For these designs, you'll want to paint 3 of your nails white and 2 of them black. For the first design, use a toothpick to dot orange polish onto one of the white nails. Make some of the dots larger and some of them smaller. Do the same thing with some black polish and you've got a cute Halloween polka dot design. The second design is dripping blood. Use a dark red polish to make drips near your cuticle. Make the drips slightly larger near the bottom and then thin them out near the top. You can also add some smaller drips by making a small dot and dragging it up to make a teardrop shape. The third design is a pumpkin. Use the brush from a light orange polish to make a heart shape on the tip of your nail. Use a toothpick dipped in brown polish to make a triangular stem. Use the brush from a darker orange polish to make a line down the center of the pumpkin. For the next design, we'll be making some floating eyes. Use white polish to make pairs of 2 medium-sized circles. Add a black dot to each of the circles as pupils. The last design is a spider web. Use a toothpick dipped in white polish to make 3 straight lines. To make lines using a toothpick, I find it helpful to kind of bounce the toothpick along the nail instead of trying to drag it. To finish off the spider web, connect the straight lines with curved lines. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 designs you like the best. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.